little bit deeper, and we're going to work with what we call improper fractions. And I honestly think you guys are going to like this one and the next one that comes with mixed numbers. It's really cool to see how you can take an improper fraction and put it easily into a fraction that works. Okay, so we're going to write improper fraction and draw an arrow, and we're going to write mixed number. Okay, so we're going to take an improper fraction and put it into a mixed number today. So we're going to write page 68. Okay, let's write our objective. So today I will change improper fractions into mixed numbers. Okay, let's define what an improper fraction is and what a mixed number is. So let's say that you have a number where your numerator is larger than your denominator. This is what we call an improper fraction. So I'm going to write improper fraction. Okay, it is when your numerator is larger than the denominator. So it's improper, it's not proper, right? It's funky, something's wrong with it. It's very top heavy, okay? So there's more value on top than there is on the bottom, okay? And let's say that we turn it into a mixed number to fix it. This is what we call a mixed number. So a mixed number. It's a whole number. Whole number and a fraction. So it's mixed up. It's got one of both. It has a whole number and a fraction. So we call it a mixed number because there's a mix of different kinds of numbers in there. Okay? So we have an improper fraction where your numerator is larger than your denominator, which means it's greater than 1, right? Because 4/4 is 1. So 5/4, it's a little bit greater than 1, which we see here. It's 1 1/4 when you do your math. Okay? So let's take a look at our steps when we come across an improper fraction. Okay, step 1. Draw an area model to show the denominator of the improper fraction. So let's look at an example as we do this. So I'm going to skip a couple lines and do an example down here. So let's say that we do 6/4, okay, and they want us to change it into a mixed number. So the first thing I need to do is draw an area model to show the denominator of the improper fraction, okay? So I need to draw 4 parts, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Step 2 is to start shading for the numerator, right? Because that's what we always do with the fraction model. Start shading for the numerator and draw more area models if needed. Okay, so how many parts do we have? We have 6, so we definitely don't have enough. But I can shade in my first one. Okay, so I can shade in Got my 4/4 here. But how many more do I need? 2 more, right? So I need to do a whole nother area model. Same amount of parts because my denominator has not changed. But instead of doing all 4, I only need how many more? 2 more, right? So I'm only going to shade in 2. Okay? So now I have 2/4. Okay, step 3. Write the whole numbers and the fraction parts. Okay, and then 4 is to solve, which in our case is just to write the mixed number. Okay, I do have a whole number here, right? 4/4 is equal to the same thing as 1. So I have 1, right? Because I have 4 parts. I shaded in all parts, so that is a 1. And then I have 2/4. Okay, so I know that 6/4 can be changed into the mixed number of 1 and 2/4. Okay, let's do another one together. Let's do 8/5. Okay? Okay, I'm going to do fraction model first. So how many parts do I need? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How many need to be shaded? 8. Well, I only have 5, so I know I need to draw another one. Same amount of parts on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to shave 5. And then how many more do I need? 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need 3 more. Okay. So now I have 5/5, which is equal to 1, because any numerator and denominator that are the same give me my whole number of 1. And then I have 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I have 3/5. So 8/5 change into a mixed number is 1 and 3/5. Okay? All right, I want you to do one at home tonight. Let's do 9/4. Okay, so using an area model, I want you to draw that out and tell me what the mixed number would be, okay? All right, see you tomorrow.